Hey everyone, congratulations on finishing this section. I'm really excited for you, and I just wanted to make this quick video to remind you something really important, something that I've mentioned many times before, but I just wanted to say it again. Remember, programming is like a muscle, and imagine you want to go to gym and become buff, right? So one of the things that you want to remember is that you can't become like huge in basically a day. You need to keep working at it. You need to go back to gym, you need to rest, and then go back to gym again every day or every other day to basically get that body that you want, right? And it is pretty much the same thing with programming. And I know these are two very different things, like examples, but like, you know, it's the same thing in a sense that you need to, you know, in order for you to become a good programmer, you need to learn, and also you need to get back to it, you know, take a step back, relax, learn, practice a little bit, and then come back to learn more stuff from the course. So it's really important to continue learning and continue practicing. That's how you become a good programmer. So let me know if you have any questions, guys. If not, I'll see you in the next section.